Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by selecting 500 grams of pork shoulder or butt and slice it 3.5 mm thick so heat penetrates evenly. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Mix thoroughly. Toss the pork in this marinade until every piece is coated. Cover and refrigerate for 30 to 45 minutes. This relaxes fibers and helps the meat retain. Set up a pot or electric steamer with 2 to 3 cups of water and bring to a rolling steam. Preheat for 5 minutes. Arrange marinated pork in a single layer on a heat-proof plate or bamboo basket, leaving space between pieces. Place the plate into the steamer and maintain medium-high heat so steam is steady but not violent. Steam 500 grams of pork for 12 to 15 minutes. Then turn off heat and let the pork rest inside the steamer for 3 minutes to finish cooking gently. After resting, check doneness with an instant-read thermometer and ensure the pork reaches at least 70 degrees C internal temperature. Transfer to a serving plate and garnish with sliced scallions and cilantro. Mix a quick sauce of 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and optional chili for serving. If not eating immediately, cool the pork and refrigerate within 2 hours. Store for up to 3 days. When reheating, bring to 74 degrees C to ensure safety and preserve moist texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.